Another welcome to MW Newscast. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of June 2022. My name is Michael and I'm your host today, bringing you interesting news from around the world. First news, Geologists successfully forecast volcanic eruption 5 months before it happens. Predicting volcanic eruptions is considered a Herculean task in geology, as most volcanoes do not follow a pattern of their future activity. But the development of quantitative models is believed to be more effective in performing the difficult task. With an advanced supercomputer and strategic modeling programs, a team of geologists has successfully forecasted a volcanic eruption in the Sierra Negra volcano 5 months before it took place. The volcano forecasting program was created in 2017 and installed on the blue water in eye-forged supercomputers. While during the study, the researchers found that the Sierra Negra volcano data suggested an imminent eruption, and considering its well-behaved nature, they chose it to test the upgraded computing program, while another team was monitoring locally the volcano in the ground. The study finalized in 2018, offering a framework of the volcano eruption cycles and helped forecast a future eruption between June 25 and July 5. And it happened! The volcano erupted on July 6. The study, which also demonstrated how incorporating high-performance supercomputing into practical research can lead to successful results, has been published in the journal Science Advances. Next story, do not wear these colors to avoid mosquito bites. New research by scientists from the University of Washington reveals that a species of common mosquito likes to fly towards specific colors, while ignoring cold shades of green, purple, blue, and white. Mosquitoes are attracted by the breath, the sweat, and the temperature of our skins. The study found a fourth cue, the color red, which was also found in our skins. The researchers tracked mosquitoes in test chambers, spraying specific odors and presenting different types of visual patterns. Colors to which mosquitoes would fly towards too were red, orange, or black. So, wearing clothes that avoid those colors could be a good way to prevent the irritable and in some cases, infectious bites. Oddly, the color between green and blue on the spectrum cyan was also attractive to the creature. More research is needed to determine if other mosquito species may have different color preferences based on their preferred host. But these new findings add a new layer to mosquito control. Color. Let's give it a try. It seems to work. Last story for today. Food scarcity and future options. Recently, the food crisis around the world has been in the news, and it seems to be getting worse every day. Well, we should be getting used to this situation, as the world's population is heading to 10 billion people by 2050. Food and meat production will need to be increased by 70 to 100%, respectively, to satisfy the global demand. But on the other front, we have the problem of global warming rise, and the meat production does not go along with controlling it. We may need to switch to food we haven't eaten before. There are good alternatives already, like plant-based replacement for meat, eggs, etc., genetically modified, GM, food, and others. As humans, we have the food system that is monumentally wasteful. According to studies, almost half the world's food is thrown away each year, including the big waste in packaging. Can we imagine if the system can be optimized? As alternative, scientists are creating packages that can be eaten. You can already find in the market, hopefully becomes widespread. Another big source to which we may need to switch is edible insects. Almost 2 billion people around the world, especially in Southeast Asia and Africa, eat insects like locusts, grasshoppers, spiders, wasps, ants, etc. on a regular basis. Are you eating some food alternatives already? What is your favorite? Comment below. Once again, thanks for watching MW Newscast. This is the end of today's edition. Please click the subscribe button. This is Michael and I will see you in the next edition. Have a great day.